The smart editing mode in the AI assistant is now even smarter and improved. Currently, we are using the simple configuration with OpenRouter, which simplifies the user interface. Watch the video on simple configuration to learn more about the setup. The Smart HTML editing action is now the default, and the action selector has been removed. Now we simply tell the AI assistant what we want, and it figures out the best approach without needing precise guidance on which action to use. For example, we can select elements on the page, and the AI assistant will be aware of our selection. If we instruct it to make these arrows dark, it understands that this refers to the selected buttons for the next and previous slides. As you can see, it successfully made the arrows darker, and this change applies to the next page as well. Another new feature when using OpenRouter is the ability to see the accumulated cost of the current task. If we want to continue and implement a contact form, we no longer need to start a new task. We can simply type "Implement contact form" as an overlay. We can continue the task without worrying about starting a new one or following up. In the background, Pinegrow ensures the data sent to the AI service isn't too long by optimizing the context. It also includes built-in tools that allow the model to fetch further context if necessary. You might also notice that for each instruction, the assistant creates a plan detailing how it will execute the task. The plan helps the model keep track of its progress. You can also see that we've only spent about 3 cents for everything done up to this point. Let's see the result. If we click on the contact link, the contact form overlay appears. We can continue giving instructions in this manner. The 5 cents shown is the total cost for everything, including the buttons and the contact form, giving us clear visibility into our AI service spending. Smart editing is now much more intuitive because we don't have to manage tasks manually. We just tell the AI assistant what we want. If you ever need to start a fresh task, you can use the Start a New Task button, although in practice it's rarely necessary. We can also select this button and instruct the AI to show contact with this button also. It works perfectly here as well, bringing our total cost to just 6 cents. Have fun exploring the new smart editing mode. It makes the AI assistant significantly more capable and much easier to use.